Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Smartsheet cell linking for cross-sheet reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Smartsheet workspace. Locate the sheet containing the data you want to link. Select the target cell where you'd like to create the link. Click on the cell to activate it. In the toolbar, find and click on the link button. A menu will appear with options for linking data. Choose Link from Other Sheet. A new window will open, displaying all available sheets. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the desired sheet. Select the specific sheet you want to link from. Once selected, click on the Insert Reference button. Now, navigate to the specific cell or range of cells you want to link to. Click on the relevant cell or range, which will be highlighted. Once you've selected the cells, click the OK button. The linked cell will now display data from the source sheet. To ensure accuracy, verify the data appears as expected. If adjustments are needed, repeat the linking process. For cross-sheet reporting, consider using cell linking in multiple sheets. To manage linked cells, regularly check their integrity. If a source sheet is moved or deleted, update your links accordingly. Review your linked data periodically for any changes. That concludes the steps for updating Smartsheet cell linking for cross-sheet reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.